Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into something that's absolutely essential to how the internet works but often gets unnoticed. IP address. Whether you are browsing the web, streaming videos, or playing online games, IP addresses are working behind the scenes to make it all happen. So what exactly is an IP address? Let's break it down. An IP address or Internet Protocol address is like a home address for your devices on the internet. Just like your home address helps mail find its way to you, an IP address helps data find its way to your computer, phone, or any other device connected to the internet. And every device that connects to the internet is whether it is your laptop or smartphone or even your smart fridge gets a unique IP address. These addresses allows devices to communicate with each other and share information. Without IP addresses and internet as we know it would not work. It's the backbone of how data travels across the web. So now let's say you are visiting a website like YouTube. When you type youtube.com into your browser, your device sends a request to YouTube servers. But how does your request find the right server? That's where the IP address comes in. Every website has an IP address behind its domain name. When you type youtube.com, your device uses something called DNS or domain name system to look up YouTube's IP address. Once it has the IP address, your request is sent directly to YouTube's server. Think of it like this: the domain name is the easy to remember name and IP addresses in the actual location. DNS is like the phone book of the internet, translating names into numbers. Now, not all IP addresses are the same. There are two main types: IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 addresses are the older version and look something like 192.168.1.1, and they are made up of four numbers separated by dots. Each of these numbers, called an octet, ranges from 0 to 255. IPv4 basically uses a 32-bit addresses space, which allows for around 4.3 billion unique addresses. But here's the problem. We are running it out. And that's where IPv6 comes in. IPv6 addresses are much longer and look like hexadecimal format like this. IPv6 uses a 182-bit addresses space, which means it can support an almost unlimited number of unique addresses. Each IPv6 address is divided into 8 groups separated by colons. And IPv6 is written in hexadecimal format, which means it uses both numbers and letters. This allows for a much larger addresses space compared to IPv4, making the future of the internet. And another important distinction between public and private IP addresses. Your public IP addresses is the one assigned to your entire network by your internet service provider or ISP. It's how the outside world sees your network. But inside your home, each device has its own private IP addresses assigned by your router. For example, your laptop might have a IP address like 192.168.1.10, while your router's public IP addresses could be something like 203.0.113.45, something like this. So, why should you care about your IP addresses? Well, your IP address can reveal a lot about you, like your general location and internet activity. This can make you a target for hackers or advertisers. That's why many people use tools like VPN to hide their IP addresses and protect their privacy. A VPN masks your real IP addresses and makes it look like you are browsing from somewhere else. And that's it. Now you know what is an IP address is, how it works, and why it matters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech explainers. So, got any question about IP addresses? Drop your comments in below. So, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay secure. Thank you.